Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. Today, as you can see, I've got some grapefruit on my table and we're gonna make a really delicious mocktail. You might already have a guess, but if not, we're gonna make a virgin Paloma. So let's go and let's crack on and make this bitter, salty, sweet mocktail together. First thing first, you better have all your ingredients fresh if you can. If not, that's not a problem. To first start by rimming your glass. I'm gonna slide some lime. Instead of rolling it on a plate of salt, I'm just gonna add this. It's gonna make a mess on my tabletop, but that's not an issue. That's our glass rimmed. Next step, you need to have some grapefruit and juice it. I've already done that. You need 60 milliliters of grapefruit juice. So let's add that one first to your shaker. It's quite pulpy, so you better double strain it. That's 45. And I need another 15. That's my grapefruit juice. What you need to add then next is your lime juice. You only need 30 milliliters. You can freshly squeeze it. Obviously, it's going to taste much nicer. That's one. That's two. Then you need to move on and add your sweetener. I'm going to use an agave syrup here. It's 15 ml of agave syrup. Goes there. And if you've got an alcohol-free tequila, I would advise you to add that one. If not, that's not a problem. Instead of that, I'm gonna add a tiny splash of apple cider vinegar. You can skip this step if you don't like it, but it will give a good punch. So I'm just gonna add just a dash. Like that. And then what you need is a pinch of salt. That's my pinch. You need to add your ice to your shaker and start shaking. Take some ice from here. I think this will do. Oops, yeah. And you start shaking all your ingredients. It looks like my dress. Kinda. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna double strain this cocktail because it was too pulpy. And let's do that now. Oh, before that, you need to add some ice to your glass. And then you'll just strain it over. Oops. And just like that, you have your mocktail almost ready. What you need now is your grapefruit soda. If you don't have one, you can use sparkling water like me, a plain one or a lemony one, as you prefer. I'll always stick to this plain ones. And ta-da! You have your virgin Paloma ready to taste. I don't have a wedge of grapefruit. I'll just add my wedge of lime. And there you go. Easy cocktail, mocktail, which you can impress your friends. It's always better to make these in batches if you have a party. And yeah, not many ingredients. Cheers. Let's taste it. That's actually quite nice. Yeah, I like it. It doesn't have that vinegar smell even. Like, can you believe that? You should definitely try this at home and let me know what you think. So yeah, that's our mocktail. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Let me know what other mocktails you want me to make for you. And yeah, we're the Tipsy Duo. We'll be back with more cocktail mocktails, both of them. So yeah, thanks. Cheers.